Good morning, students. In the earlier class, we have discussed different types of plastics such as polythene, PVC, polystyrene, acrylic, bakelite, Teflon, melamine, etc. Now, in this, we'll discuss about that how plastic affects the environment. And due to widely use of plastic, there are certain environmental conditions which are not favorable due to plastics. Reason for it that we are using plastic in excessive amount and a lot of plastic waste is generated. Okay, and if we talk about plastic waste, okay, it does not take few year to get decomposed. Okay, it takes long time to get decomposed. Okay, certain, so we divide the waste, okay, which we obtain from our household into two categories. One is biodegradable and other one is non biodegradable. Okay, but plastic is will be in non biodegradable, and why it is in the non biodegradable substances we'll discuss. Okay, before that we'll discuss about the biodegradable substance. We will try to know that what are biodegradable substances. The substances which get decomposed to harmless substances through the natural process such as bacterial action over a period of time is called a biodegradable substances. Okay, generally the garbage which we obtain from kitchen waste, vegetable peel is there, fruit peel is there, leftover food is there, paper, cotton, cloth, dry leaves, etc. are biodegradable. They are being acted by simple microorganisms, okay, like bacteria, and can be converted into simpler form very easily with the help of these bacteria. Now, when we talk about non-biodegradable substance, they are not act by microorganisms. Okay, microorganisms could not act on them, not even the air, water, or different types of bacteria. Okay, and due to that, they take very long period of time. Okay, these are plastic, aluminum metals, glass, DDT, and so many chemicals are there which take time to get decomposed. These are known as non biodegradable substances. Okay, now synthetic material, plastic, synthetic fiber, non biodegradable. Thus, these things made from such substance do not get decomposed if buried under the soil or left on the earth's surface exposed to air and water. Okay, these things are which are there. Okay, for example, polythene, we are using it continuously. Whenever we are purchasing any things, we get the things in polythene. Okay, now these accumulation of the polythene takes place and causes a lot of problem. Similarly, we have so many gadgets made up of plastics. After 1 year, 2 year, that is of no use. So many other things are there, container, utensils, etc., made up of plastics. These are of no use after many years. Okay, because new items comes and so we have to replace that. Okay, so we throw them. Now when we throw, these are causing a lot of problems. What are the problems are being there? Soil pollution. Okay, the soil consists, the topmost layer consists of the humus. So when we are throwing plastics, it act as a garbage and dirt the particular soil. So if we are trying to grow a particular seeds or any crop plant, not be possible if plastic waste is there on that particular piece of land. This is the most important which we have discussed in class 7th also. Blockage of drains and sewer lines. Sewerage system we have discussed. This sewerage system is being choked by the plastic polythene bags. When these polythene bags get accumulated, they cause a lot of problem. Water cannot pass through them, and due to that, accumulation of the water takes place at the same point. And thus we find that so many main holes which are there, they get, and the water get accumulated and comes out of it, causing a lot of dirty water on the roads, etc., which we find sometime. Then death of animals takes place. There are so many animals who eat these plastics, okay, along with the food items, and thus the choking or the death of the animals takes place. Especially cattle are there in this case, cow, buffalo, etc. Then reduces the percolation rate of water into the soil. Suppose this is a piece of land and the plastic is there, okay, it may go down due to the some reason, and it is covered with soil. Similarly, so many plastics are there. Now when the rain water is there, the rainwater will be difficult to pass through it, okay, so the percolation rate of water into the soil goes low, okay, due to which the recharge of the groundwater does not takes place. And that is why when we talk about the plastic, it is causing a lot of problem. Then if we burn plastic, okay, it will produce a large amount of pollution, and thus causing a lot of problems. Pollution, that are the chemical gases are released, this is causing a lot of problems. Now what are the ways, okay, by which we can, because in case of pollution, toxic substances or toxic fumes are being there. How to, now the next step is that how to minimize the damage of the to the environment by plastics or synthetic polymers, okay, as these are not environmental friendly. To minimize the damage of environment by the excessive use of plastic, there are certain suggestions are being given. Although in class 6th you have studied so many suggestions, there was a chapter garbage in garbage out in class 6th, where certain points were there that how to reduce the plastics, okay. First of all, avoid using plastics, okay. If you are going to the market, take your own bag, jute bag, or many cloth bag, so that if that you have to purchase thing, you can put it in that, okay. Similarly, use shopping bags made up of jute, cotton in place of plastic bags, okay. Recycle the plastic scientifically. Recycling, you find that so many, when you throw the plastic, so many people are there who pick that plastic and give it to the recycle person, okay, where that is being used again. We can use the plastic for storing water, okay, for storing water, okay, for birds, etc. Feeder we can make with the help of the plastic, etc. That means we can that, but recycling can be done by melting of these plastics, and only for the thermoplastic this can be done, okay. Not to throw plastic bags to the water bodies or in the open, because water bodies, it may be eaten by aquatic animals, or in open may be eaten by animals, cattle, etc. Or if we are throwing on the soil, it may cover completely and causing the percolation rate of water to be reducing the percolation rate of water, okay. And the thing is that we should use the 4R formulas: reduce, reuse, recycle, and recover. In case of reduce, okay, reduce, that means the use of plastic should be minimized. I find that many of the students have bottles, okay, then they are also having, so many of them are having tiffin box made up of plastic, okay. Avoid using this, because whatever the plastic is there, that is very much harmful. Then reuse plastics. How to reuse the plastics? Bird feeder can be made, or trash toys can be made. Some things which can be made from the plastic. For example, there are places where we talk about the in the area. Suppose this is the plant is being grown in a pot, okay. A plastic bottle is fixed here along with the growth of the plant, and so many holes are there. So when water is filled into it and then it is covered is being there, the water remain as such, so drop by drop water reaches to the roots, okay. Now when this water reaches to the root, okay, so loss of water is very less and the growth of plant takes place. And this is one of the use that can be done, Then recycling of plastic can be done. Recycling can be done with the help of so many things, that you find that there are so many bottles in that the marks are given. Okay, follow these marks on, according to that the recycling is being done. That means they can be molded again. So many products are there which are made up of the recycled materials. Then recover the plastics. Okay, recover the plastic. There are so many plastics which are there, okay, which are as such we are not using it. Try to use it so that we don't have to purchase it from the market again and again. So these are the 4 R's, that is reduce, reuse, recycle, recover, by which we can minimize the use of plastics. Okay, when you go to certain places, for example in Jodhpur, you'll be able to find Jodhpur Sweet Home, 1580, etc. They are giving you a bag, okay, in which they Fresh and Green, they are giving you a bag which appears similar to that of the plastic. But if you read that thing, that is photodegradable or oxidegradable. What does it means? This means that they are not using the plastic bags. It is made up of some other things. There are certain companies which are giving starch bag. These starch bag are similar to that of the plastic bag but made up of starch, so they are biodegradable. So judicial use of plastic is being initiated by many companies. 4 year back there was an advertisement showing that jeans, okay, Levi's jeans is made up of 12 plastic bottles shredded and then mixed with bottles. So that is the way it can be used again. In Bangalore, plastic is being used, okay, for making roads. Then nowadays the waste plastic is being used to prepare tiles, okay, which it looks similar to that of the stone tiles. So there are so many ways by which we can reduce plastic, or we can judicially use the plastics. Okay, so you can also take care that you use the plastic judicially. Okay, for example, if we talk about water bottle, because when plastics are storing food, any liquid is very harmful. Water bottle, you have expiry date. It is the expiry date of the bottle, not of the water. Okay, 3 month expiry date is there. So cold drink bottles, juice bottle, etc. So that means after that the chemical which are there, they may mix up with that of the water. Okay, so avoid using plastic, and minimum use of the plastic should be there. So that's all for today. Thank you.